Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. In this cake video, you'll see how to make this adorable home sweet home cake using star tip piping techniques. If you like this video, subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming cake tutorials. If you want to include this simple cookie topper, I'll link up to the amazing gingerbread recipe on this channel. As you can see, I am reusing a demo cake. Now you know my secret. This is a pale yellow, and I used liquid color and a touch of confectionery sugar to help to bind the color to the buttercream. Use a metal bench scraper to help smooth your cakes before you decorate them. Mark the cake with wax paper, cut to fit the top of the cake, and fold it into eighths. Begin with marking your drapes with a star number 14. This will be covered later. Next is the basket weave, same tip, one vertical line up and then small horizontal lines up and over the vertical lines. So this is an 18 star, it's a little bit larger. You want to touch the cake and apply pressure and then release the pressure as you pull the tip away. And when I say apply pressure, I mean apply pressure to the bag, not the cake. Now back to the number 14 star tip. This is similar to a rope, and it's an easy way to create a garland. Pipe a shell border on the top with a number 18 and stars on the side with the same tip. A smaller one wasn't cutting it for this, so I changed it back over to the 18. To make the daisy-like flowers, use a number 104. Because they are kind of flat, you can pipe them on top of a mound of frosting and slightly overlap them to give them a little height. A 352 makes the leaves and a round tip for the centers. Everything except the flowers are made with a star. Now at this point, you can either add more flowers or a cookie topper like I did. A bird cookie topper would also look really great on this cake. For the borders, it's back to the number 14. First a simple shell, then a balloon, and then I finished it off with one more shell to soften the orange a little bit. And there you have it, a simple but pretty little springtime / Easter / home sweet home cake. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out all my links in the description box below the video. I've got lots of great goodies down there for you, including free stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.